Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2000, let me check that, I had a senior moment there. 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 1600. Pretty sweet bike. It's a deep metallic blue and silver. Real nice paint on this bike. Gold and red trim stripes. Got the bird stabber intake, engine guard, driving lights, windshield. I noticed on this windshield, looks like something may have been on there, some stickers or something. Somebody tried to get it off and kind of dulled up the windshield on this side here. It's got a good tire on the front. Minor signs of wear, a little rock peck right there, a couple of tiny little hairline scratches. Got a little spot over here on the side of the fender. Kawasaki hand grips. Had a set of passenger floorboards added to it. Those are Cobra floorboards. The chrome's starting to chip just a little bit around them. It's a shaft drive bike. Got a set of leather bags, passenger backrest, upgraded LED turn signals there. Good tire on the rear, a couple little spots right here on the back fender. Set of Cobra exhaust, a real nice sound to it. It's got 11,625 miles. That's good miles for an 06. Liquid cooled 1600cc V-twin with a 5-speed. We ran it through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to go. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151 or go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.